I love that sound. I don't know about you, but this is one of the greatest joys I had as a child. We get something in the mail and we get to pop the bubbles. So, one of the most common questions we actually get here at Myers Chiropractic for this week's My Health Minute is actually, what is that popping noise? Because with some adjustments, you sometimes hear a click or pop. What in the world is that? Well, what happens is, as a chiropractor, we look at those joints, which should be nice and moving free and easy, but when they get stuck, put in a bad position, a little gas bubble can form around that joint. When that gas bubble forms and you frankly open up that joint, you hear a popping noise. That's all it is. It's not a good thing, it's not a bad thing, it's just a noise. So, next time you go and give a little pop to the knuckles or something and you hear that pop, pop, pop noise, it's not bones breaking. I want to be real clear on that one. All it is just a little gas bubble escaping, just like these packing bubbles. Just so I can have one more excuse to make that noise and have a little fun. Have a great day for your Myers Health Minute this week. We'll see you next week, and what I'll do next week is talk about, is the noise a good thing? A very important question to answer. Take care. Have a great day.